Ever wondered how much money small YouTubers actually make? That's a question that tickles the curiosity of many. The general perception is that YouTube is a gold mine, and every content creator, regardless of their subscriber count, is raking in the big bucks. But is that really the case? Let's start by debunking some myths. Many believe that every YouTuber earns a hefty sum per view or per like. However, the reality is far from this misconception. The earning model of YouTube is more complex and multifaceted, and it doesn't solely rely on the number of views or likes a video garners. For small YouTubers especially, the path to monetization isn't always a straightforward one. It's a journey filled with challenges and hurdles. For starters, to even qualify for YouTube's partner program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. And that's just the beginning. The real challenge lies in consistently producing engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Another challenge that small YouTubers face is the competition. With millions of videos being uploaded every day, standing out in the crowd and getting noticed is no easy feat. It requires a blend of creativity, persistence, and a dash of luck. Even after overcoming these challenges, the revenue might not be as lucrative as one might imagine. The average pay for 1,000 views, also known as CPM, cost per milli, varies greatly, and it's influenced by various factors like the video's content, the viewer's location, and the time of the year, among other things. So the reality is, small YouTubers' earnings may not be as glamorous or as plentiful as many tend to believe. However, it's not all gloom and doom. With the right strategy, dedication, and a little bit of patience, small YouTubers can indeed carve out a profitable niche for themselves on the platform. Now that we've debunked some myths, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how small YouTubers actually make money. So, where does the money come from? Let's start with ad revenue. To put it simply, ad revenue is a sum paid by advertisers to YouTubers for displaying their ads. This happens in two main ways: cost per 1,000 views, also known as CPM, and cost per click, or CPC. The CPM model means you get paid for every 1,000 views your video gets, while the CPC model pays you every time a viewer clicks on an ad showing on your video. But it's not as straightforward as it seems. Factors like the ad's quality, relevance, and the viewer's location influence how much you earn from ad revenue. And remember, YouTube takes a pretty significant cut, about 45% from ad revenue. So for every dollar that an advertiser pays, you get to keep about 55 cents. Now, let's move on to sponsored content. This is when a brand pays you to feature their product or service in your video. The payment can be either a fixed amount or based on the number of views or sales generated through your video. It's a great way to earn money, especially if your content aligns well with the brand's target audience. Next up, affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income, as the links stay in your video description, potentially earning you money long after the video has been published. And finally, merchandise. Once you've built a loyal fan base, selling branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or posters can be a lucrative revenue stream. Fans often love to support their favorite YouTubers this way, and it gives them a tangible connection to the content they love. These are the primary ways YouTubers make money, but how much can they really earn? Well, that's a question with a complex answer, and it's what we'll delve into next. So stick around. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention that I'm promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. Now, let's talk about the potential earnings of a small YouTuber. To give you a real-life perspective, let's consider the case of Journeyman Joe, a travel vlogger with around 10,000 subscribers. Joe's earnings aren't just from ad revenue. He's diversified his income streams, taking advantage of sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and even his own line of merchandise. Though his ad revenue fluctuates, on a good month he earns around $500. Sponsored content, where brands pay him to showcase their products or services in his videos, brings in an additional $200 to $300. Joe's affiliate marketing, where he earns a commission from products sold through links in his video descriptions, brings in around $100 a month. Lastly, his merchandise sales, though not consistent, can add another $200 to his monthly earnings. So, on a good month, Journeyman Joe can make around $1,200. Not a fortune, but certainly a decent income for a channel his size. But remember, this is just one example. Earnings can vary widely based on factors such as the niche of the channel, the level of viewer engagement, and the YouTuber's ability to effectively monetize their content. And if you're wondering how you can achieve similar results, that's where the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course comes in. This course provides the tools and knowledge you need to grow your YouTube channel, diversify your income streams, and maximize your earnings. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, this course has something to offer you. Remember, there's no limit to what you can earn on YouTube. It all depends on your strategy and hard work. So, you've learned about the potential earnings of small YouTubers, but how can you make the most of your own YouTube journey? Let's dive into some strategies that can help you maximize your earnings. First and foremost, consistency is key. Regularly uploading content keeps your audience engaged and increases your chances of gaining more views and subscribers. Next, diversify your income streams. Don't just rely on ad revenue. Explore sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. Remember, each revenue source serves as an additional pillar, supporting your YouTube career. Also, don't underestimate the power of SEO. Use relevant keywords, create compelling titles, and write detailed descriptions for your videos. This increases the chances of your content appearing in YouTube's search results and recommendations, thereby boosting your views and revenue. Now, here's an important part. Engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. This not only fosters loyalty, but also encourages viewers to spend more time interacting with your content. And lastly, never stop learning and improving. YouTube is constantly evolving, and so should you. Invest in your skills, learn about video editing, storytelling, marketing, and so much more. Now that we've covered these tips, it's time for you to put them into action. And remember, the journey might be challenging, but the rewards can be incredibly fulfilling. Before we wrap up, I'd like to encourage you to show some love by pressing that thumbs up icon. Stay on the channel, explore our other videos, and if you find the content valuable, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. button. But wait, there's more. If you're really serious about your YouTube journey, consider checking out the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. It's a comprehensive guide that teaches you not only about earning through YouTube, but also about managing your very own channel. There's a free webinar for those interested, and you can find more details in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning. We've covered a lot of ground today. Our journey began by debunking the common misconceptions about the earnings of small YouTubers. We've discovered that it's not just about the views or the subscriber count, but rather a complex interplay of various factors, including the type of content, audience engagement, and the YouTuber's ability to effectively monetize their channel. We've delved into the challenges that small YouTubers often encounter in their quest to monetize their channels and grow their income streams. We've seen that while these challenges may seem daunting, they're not insurmountable. With determination, creativity, and a solid strategy, it's entirely possible for small YouTubers to generate a substantial income from their channels. We also explored the diverse revenue streams available to YouTubers. We learned that ad revenue, while significant, is just one piece of the puzzle. Sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales can also contribute substantially to a YouTuber's income. In fact, for many successful YouTubers, these alternative revenue streams often surpass their ad revenue. To illustrate these points, we highlighted a case study that demonstrated the potential earnings of a small YouTuber. We saw how they leveraged their unique content and engaged audience to generate a significant income despite having a relatively small subscriber base. As we wrap up, I want to re-emphasize the importance of diversifying your revenue streams and consistently creating valuable content. These are the keys to financial success on YouTube. But remember, it's not just about the money. It's about sharing your passion, connecting with your audience, and making a difference in your own unique way. Remember, success on YouTube isn't just about the numbers. It's about creating content that you're passionate about and that your audience loves. Keep creating, keep learning, and the earnings will follow. Thanks for watching.